Welcome to Case Study Series in Strategy Case Study by Skilled MBA Allegiance Flag Supply, founded in South Carolina. Revolutionize the flag market by offering premium American-made flags directly to consumers. Their strategic approach highlights brand positioning, product excellence, and patriotic storytelling, creating a strong connection with customers. This case study exemplifies how a focused strategy can disrupt traditional markets and build a loyal customer base. Allegiance Flag Supply, founded in South Carolina, revolutionized the flag market with high-quality, American-made flags. Their direct-to-consumer model and patriotic storytelling offer a unique case study in brand positioning and product excellence. Allegiance Flag Supply sets itself apart with premium quality, using superior materials for durability and vibrancy. Their flags are entirely American-made, supporting local craftspeople and ensuring strict quality control. By selling directly to consumers, they offer competitive pricing and foster strong connections with their patriotic customers. The American flag market is a $500+ million industry, experiencing seasonal peaks. It is largely dominated by mass-produced imports. However, there's a growing consumer preference for domestically manufactured goods, driven by emotional and identity-based purchasing decisions. Allegiance Flag Supply boasts an 85% customer retention rate, reflecting strong product satisfaction and brand loyalty. Their 47% annual growth is fueled by word-of-mouth and strategic digital marketing. With a 4.95 review rating, they achieve near-perfect customer satisfaction, enhancing credibility and attracting new customers. Allegiance Flag Supply stands at a strategic crossroads. The decision to either focus solely on their successful flag products or expand into a broader patriotic lifestyle brand is crucial. This choice involves evaluating brand alignment, manufacturing capabilities, and customer response to ensure any expansion maintains their commitment to quality and American craftsmanship. Evaluating expansion, Allegiance Flag Supply must ensure new products align with their premium American craftsmanship and patriotic values. Expanding production capabilities while maintaining quality and domestic manufacturing is crucial. Additionally, understanding if the loyal customer base will embrace these new offerings with the same enthusiasm as the flagship product is essential for successful growth. Exploring potential product extensions, AFS could introduce premium flagpoles and mounting hardware, enhancing their core offering. Additionally, patriotic home decor and seasonal items, along with American-made apparel featuring subtle patriotic elements, could broaden appeal. Gift collections for patriotic occasions and custom, commemorative flag products offer further opportunities to engage customers and expand the brand's reach. Focused excellence involves maintaining a single product focus, perfecting and promoting the flagship product. This approach simplifies operations and messaging, enhances expertise, and solidifies brand positioning as the flag specialists. However, it presents a growth ceiling in seasonal business and limits customer lifetime value. Controlled expansion involves selectively adding complementary products while maintaining premium standards. This strategy increases purchase frequency and offers natural cross-selling opportunities, ensuring quality control and brand integrity. However, it introduces additional operational complexity and risks diluting focus on the flagship product. Transforming into a comprehensive patriotic lifestyle brand involves developing multiple product categories with regular releases. This strategy maximizes customer lifetime value and ensures year-round relevance, appealing to a broader market. However, it poses risks like quality inconsistency, brand dilution, and requires significant capital investment. 78% of Allegiance Flag Supply customers prioritize trust in American manufacturing when purchasing. Additionally, 64% show interest in buying more patriotic products from Allegiance Flag Supply. Notably, 53% have bought similar items from other brands recently, indicating a strong market potential for expanding product offerings. Evaluating potential revenue growth involves assessing market demand and pricing strategies. However, expanding product lines could risk brand dilution, potentially weakening Allegiance Flag Supply's core identity. Balancing these factors is crucial to ensure sustainable growth while maintaining brand integrity. Maintaining AFS's premium positioning requires a focus on brand integrity across diverse product categories. Operationally, expanding while ensuring American-made production demands strategic manufacturing partnerships or infrastructure investments. The customer journey must be carefully managed to enhance brand relationships without complicating experiences. Finally, aligning expansion with the founder's original mission is crucial for long-term vision and success. Thank you, and exploring strategic insights. AFS must evaluate how to maintain brand integrity while expanding. This involves assessing manufacturing partnerships to ensure American-made production. Additionally, understanding the impact on customer experience is crucial. Aligning expansion with the founder's vision is essential for a cohesive brand evolution.